Dear children, I was taught you last day Khilji dynasty and Tughlaq dynasty. Now look 22 page the Sayyid dynasty 1414 to 1451 AD. Sayyid dynasty. Khidr Khan was the viceroy of Taimur in India. He captured the throne of Delhi and founded the Sayyid dynasty. At the time of his accession, there was several chores in the region. He led several military expeditions to suppress revolt against him and emerged as the most powerful ruler. Mubarak Shah succeeded Khilji Khan. He was unpopular among his nobles who plotted his murder and succeed. His successors were indolent and pleasure-seeking. Alam Shah, the last Sayyid ruler, abdicated the throne voluntarily in favor of Bahlol Lodi. Now Lodi dynasty 1451 to 1526 AD. The Lodi dynasty was founded by the Bahlol Lodi. Its history too is full of bloody conflicts. The dynasty ruled for 75 years. They spent most of his time in fighting battles and had little time for civil administration. His son Sikandar Lodi crushed all the revolts, founded the city of Agra and shifted his residence there from Delhi. Ibrahim Lodi succeeded his father of Sikandar Lodi. His forces were defeated by Babur, who was invited by Lodi's own nobles and local rulers. Ibrahim Lodi was defeated and killed in the first battle of Panipat in 1526. With his fall, the Delhi Sultanate came to an end. Art and architecture, historical building. The Turks were great patrons of architecture. They brought with them the art of West and Central Asia. The sultans employed Indian craftsmen for designing and constructing their building, which gave rise to Indo-Islamic style of the architecture. Qutub is complex built by Qutbuddin, and Iltutmish is the most magnificent structure in Delhi. Alauddin Khilji built a new capital near Qutub complex and called it Siri. He also built the Alai Darwaja, the entrance of the Qutub complex. Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq built the city of Tughlaqabad, while Firoz Shah Tughlaq built the Firoz Shah Kotla. The tomb of Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq set a new trend in architecture as it is octagonal in shape. The tombs of Lodi sultans were built inside garden. Most of the earlier buildings of the Sultanate period lacked correct proportions. They were also made of bricks and stone and lacked grace. arches and tombs were a specialty of the building. Calligraphy was used to decorate building, while Quran excerpts were engraved on the walls of the building. Causes of downfall of Delhi Sultanate. The Turk-Afghan Sultan of Delhi ruled over India for more than 3 centuries, from 1206 to 1526 AD. The cause of downfall of Delhi Sultanate are as follows. The Sultanate of Delhi had conquered India by sword and they ruled the country by sword. They were despotic and did not try to win over people. Most of the sultans were intolerant of the Hindus. They were ill-treated by them and forced to convert to Islam and pay jizya. Most of the sultans were weak and pleasure-seeking rulers. Their plotting nobles often revolted against them as they lacked loyalty for the central authority. Most of the sultans depended on the troops or soldiers of their nobles or vassals. Though some sultan did not maintain a huge army, but it was ill-organized and ill-disciplined. They had a vast empire, but lack of good transport and communication system was a major hindrance in ruling it efficiently. The feudal system provided fatal to them. It created powerful nobles but weakened the central government. There was no defined law of succession and hence there were frequent wars and intrigues for the throne. The invention of the Mongols also weakened the empire. Timur struck the final fatal blow to the Tughlaq, while Babur put an end to the Sultanate in Delhi. Now, development of political institutions during the Sultanate period. Next day.